Welcome! This is a tutorial for the Blender add-on called T1nk-R Mesh Name Synchronizer, designed to synchronize the names of your data blocks below objects with the names of their parents. If you belong to those trying to keep their workspaces clean, you'll really like this. Install the add-on as you install any other Blender add-ons. Then you can find it by the name T1nk-R Mesh Name Synchronizer. Don't forget the documentation button, which takes you to the detailed help page, where you can also find and download the latest version. If you can see an update available button, clicking it will take you to the latest release where you can download it. Now take a look at my outliner. I'm pretty sure it also happened to you that you created or duplicated objects and then renamed them in an effort to keep your model organized and readable. But the names of meshes might have stayed the original, and may now be quite different from the names of parents. This add-on comes to help you. To get started, select some objects in Outliner, either visible or hidden objects. Hit Ctrl plus Shift plus F3, or right-click and find Synchronize Mesh Names near the bottom of the menu. To simply set the names of meshes those of their parents, make sure both fields are empty and hit OK. Can you see? Names are in sync. You can specify a prefix and a postfix for the synchronization. Prefix will be added before the name, suffix will be added after the name of the corresponding object's name to form the name of the mesh. Almost perfect. But mind the space. First let's hit undo to revert to the previous state. Anyway, you can tick in just a test and learn the results of your action without making any changes in the system console window. Now add a trailing space for the prefix and see what happens. Fair enough. There is one more important thing, the checkbox under Scope. If you tick it, only the data blocks of objects, that is, meshes of your model pieces, will be included. If it's clear, the scope is extended to your cameras and lights as well, for example. Ticking verbose mode will display detailed information about what is happening in the system console window. If there is an update available, check in every few days. You'll also find an update available button here to get there. That's all for now. Be sure to check out my channel for more Blender add-on tutorials and other videos. Links to my website, portfolio, add-ons, and other stuff in the description.